Assalamu alaikum. Hello there. Hope all are doing great and learning English in a great way. I'm also floating over the galaxy. And look at the weather behind me. It's a fascinating weather today. It's neither hot nor cold, and gentle breeze is coming spontaneously. It's a temperate weather, and that kind of temperate weather is totally amazing. I really enjoy with that kind of fascinating weather, that kind of temperate weather, because it's feel so good to stay. It's really comfortable, right? Okay, so last couple of days the weather wasn't good because it was raining cats and dog, but today's weather is really fascinating because there is no rain and there is no sunshine as well, so it's a temperate weather, and this kind of weather is perfect for me to make video and also to go anywhere. Okay, especially for travel, that kind of weather is totally perfect. But today in this video, I don't want to talk about the weather and I don't want to talk about the nature. Rather, today I want to talk about my academic life. You know that 2 months ago, I have also admitted another time and I had a 1 year gap of my academic life. Due to some issue, I basically postponed my study. And 2 months ago, I also started my journey another time. And as per I watched yesterday, our routine has been published for final exam of 6th semester. Okay, so after watching that routine, I becoming so tense. Okay, because as usual, I don't love to study, especially in academic book, but after watching that routine I'm so concerned about my final exam because even I didn't read a page of a book. Okay, so I took a decision that from today I have to read something so that I can do better in the final exam. Otherwise, if I don't take preparation, then I will not be able to make sure a good result in the upcoming final exam. And also I completed my mid exam 1 month ago, and it wasn't good for me. That mid exam wasn't good. Okay, so I have to make sure that so that I can make sure a good result in the final exam. Otherwise, that semester my CGPA will very bad. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing basically. So that's the reason I'm so tense about my final exam, and because of I'm not also getting the chance to do the class because you know that my university at Dhaka and I have been living in my village. So the distance between that two places is around 400 kilometer. So it's a far away from my village, from my sub district. So that's the reason I also don't get the chance to do the classes, and also I don't get the chance to go to university. So that is the another reason I'm not being able to stay connected with study. And oftentimes I try to do online classes, but nowadays I'm not also getting the chance to do these online classes because nowadays I have been teaching some student in online. Okay, so that's the reason also I'm not getting the chance to attend in the online classes. And also I think that after few months later, it would be 2 or 3 months later, I will get more proposal to take lot of classes from my friend circle and also from my younger brother, because nowadays students are so desperate to learn the language. So when I will become a good speaker, when I will become a fluent speaker, then I will get that kind of proposal a lot, and I have to teach a lot of students because the demand of that language is increasing day by day. It will never decrease, right? So what I have to do, I have to manage the student, I have to teach the student, and at the same time, I have to stay connected with my academic journey, right? In order to make sure a great result. My target is anyhow I have to get 3 point in that final exam. Okay, otherwise it would be very bad for me. Okay, so let's see what happened. And I think that if I take preparation good for that, it would be around, I have 20 days in my hand. So if I take preparation that 20 days, then I think that I will be able to make sure a great result, because teacher will give us a great suggestion, and if we can follow the suggestion, then we will be able to make a great result. And at the same time, I will try to take some suggestion from my friend circle, those were attended in the class. Okay, so let's see what happened, and I hope that I optimize that I will be able to make sure a great result in the final exam.